Hello friends, I hope you are doing great with your family and friends. In this video I'm going to servicing my Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350 for the first time as per company records. I'm doing a service after 1800 miles. For that we need a 1550 semi-synthetic engine oil, a funnel and an engine oil filter and some rags to clean the mess which I'm going to create soon. Half-inch ratchet with the socket of 19 mm and 12 mm. As you can see here, 19 mm and here is the 12 mm socket. And after that we need a quarter type ratchet with the 8 mm socket and with some extensions. Let's start the video. This one is the first drain nut. This one is the second one. There is a metal filter inside and the third one here you can see. Let's start with the first one. Here we go. Just drain it in a drain pan. And this one is done. Put the nut bolt back on, and the second one here, just unscrew the bolts. Sorry for the shaky camera guys, I'm holding holding a camera with one hand and doing work with the other hand. I'm really sorry for that. I will try to improve that in the future. Here you can see how dirty it is. This is the cap. I just clean it with the rag, with a clean rag. Don't put a petrol on it because it may ruin the seal, the red seal you can see on it. Sometimes it expands when we wash it with the petrol. Here you can see the filter. Now I'll show you an extraordinary thing. Here you can see here how dirty it is. You can clean it with the degreaser or a petrol, and after that wash it with the clean it with the compressed air. Here you can see the results. I does that, and here we go. We just put this back. These are the 8 mm quarter type, and here's the third one. I just unbolted it, unscrewed it. This one is done. As you can see, there is a magnet on the top of this bolt, and we need to clean it out. This magnet is for the safety of our engine, because when the engine rubbing parts inside the engine, they kept it running in the engine oil, but this magnet create a field, and those all particles just attach, or we can say grab on this bolt. Here's the engine oil filter assembly. We just unbolt the 8 mm bolts. Here you can see the compressor with the spring. Just take out the engine oil filter, or just clean it with a clean rag. Put the new seal one. There are two seals. Snug. There are two seals. As you can see here, this is a engine oil filter. Just put it inside, and I stick the seal with the grease on it, on the compressed spring. Just push it hard and put the compressed spring. Just push it hard and put all the 3 8 mm bolts and just tight it don't push it too hard. And now the engine oil pouring in it, all done. And here's the air filter. As you can see, this is the black washer which is made up of plastic, so this is delicate, it will break easily if you tighten too much. Here you can see, here there are the two rubber spots where we need to nicely pull it off, and there is the second one. You can just put some grease on, it will go inside it, and we can take out in the future easily. Here you can see the air filter assembly. Here are the 3 bolts screws. Just clean it with the compressed air, you can replace it with the new one. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any type of question, you can just comment it in the box, and I'll try to improve the video in the future. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys. Bye.